Good day. Restorative justice. Advantage of restorative justice. Frequently, has reduced recidivism rates because of the active participation of the offenders and the potential for increased empathy and understanding. It can also save money by lessening the strain of the criminal justice. And some example. Calling the offender and the victim to discuss the said matter, to discuss what to do, hear the offender, KP8 for the said offense, and damage it will be reduced for I crash with her fence of a house of the side of the road. The said damage was the owner will find out, and that is what I will pay so the matter doesn't go longer. And that's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Galpo Divanpia from Bachelor of Science in Criminology 3C, and a system of criminal justice which focuses on the rehabilitation of the offenders through reconciliation with the victims and the community at large. And an interventional which provides recovering drugs dependents to those with serious behavioral problems an opportunity to discuss their problems. So in this session, it aims to develop healthy personal relationship with the family and establish to open positive communication between family members and significant others. So this gives people who have been harmed by the chance to talk about the impact of the incident and seek the answer about why it happened to them.
Good day. Let's talk about restorative justice. Restorative justice focuses on resolving the issues or repairing the harm caused by the criminal behavior. It is meant to restore the harmony between offender, criminals, and the community. Restorative justice is popularly used in schools and communities, most especially between the conflict of the student. Why? Because it is the way of mediating the two parties to talk about the issue, make some arrangements or agreement about the conflict. Its advantage is it gives the easiest way to give justice between the two parties because its goal is to make the victims and the offenders be satisfied for what would be their agreement after the assembly or the meeting.
Hi, my name is Marjorie Umberto from PSP Tracy. So let's talk about the restorative justice. What is restorative justice? Restorative involves action or processes aimed at healing and restoring harmony, especially in justice and conflict resolution. Restorative approaches offer advantages such as improved conflict resolution through open communication. What is advantage? Can give offenders an opportunity to try correct some of the wrongs. For example, if the offense was robbery, the offender may be able to help the victim get their possession back.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Joseph Pandanelia from BS Cream 3C. What is a restorative justice? Restorative justice is a theory of justice that emphasizes repairing the harm caused or revealed by criminal behavior. And the other definition of restorative justice is an approach to addressing conflicts and crimes that emphasizes repairing harm, promoting accountability, and facilitating reconciliations among victims, offenders, and the community. It focuses on open dialogue, empathy, and constructive solutions rather than punitive measures. The advantages of restorative justice include victim empowerment, offender accountability, reduced recidivism, community involvement, cost effectiveness, tailored solutions, emotional healing, and improved community relations.
Good day everyone. My name is Predel Alfonso from BS Cream 3C. What is restorative justice? Restorative justice is an intervention which provides recovering drugs dependent or those with serious behavioral problems an opportunity to discuss their problems. This session aims to develop healthy personal relationship within the family and to establish open positive communication between family members and significant others. This is restorative justice?
My name is Kelvin Consamar from BS Criminology 3C. Restorative justice. Okay. Restorative justice refers to an approach to justice that seeks to repair harm by providing an opportunity for those harmed and those who takes responsibility for the harm to communicate about and address their needs in the aftermath of a crime. Restorative justice is, best example dito is face-to-face discussion between the offender and victim. Yan. Ito yung ginagawa para mapag-usap sila, makuha yung binibigyan ng opportunity na paliwanag yung mga sides sila, kung ano yung nangyari kung sa may simula. At para masayos yung isang crime. Yun. Okay, next, advantage of restorative justice. Okay. Based on my research, restorative justice found many positive benefits such as high levels of participant satisfaction, decreased fear for victims, and reduced recidivism for offenders. Yan. Isa nga dyan sa mga benefits yan o advantages. High level of participant satisfaction o mataas na antas na kasiyahan. Ganun. And decreased fear for victims. Yan. Pagka bawas ng takot o mawala na yung takot ng isang victim, and reduce recidivism for offenders. Yan yung mga convict magabawasan. Then the last, the goal or purpose of restorative justice. Restorative justice is concerned with healing victims' wounds, restoring offenders to law-abiding lives, and repairing harm done to interpersonal relationships and the community. Yan, ayun yung mga goal nila, yung gaya ng pagkagaling at pagkawala sa trauma ng victim, pagbalik sa community o sumusunod sa mga batas, at yung pagsasaayos ng buhay at saka sa relationship sa community.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Jerome Cosileyang, Base Cream Section 3C. My report is about retributive justice. The retributive justice, meaning the retribution holds that the punishment should fit the crime. The more serious of crime, the greater the punishment. The less serious of crime, the less punishment should be. So it depends on the crime of what the person or someone commit to the punishment. If the greater of the crime, the more greater of the punishment. And the less crime is the less punishment. So maybe the punishment is not so serious if the crime is not so hard or difficult to understand. So focuses on assigning consequent cases to these individuals who have committed on a crime. Then advantage of the restorative justice. The advantage is tries to balance to society by validating how individuals ought to act in society. Punishing criminals for their crimes are also remind others in society that conduct is not appropriate for law. Abiding citizens thus helping to defer further wrongdoing. Thank you.
So, I'm Mark Kevin Paranas. So, pag-usapan natin ang advantage ng restorative. So, restorative, may nauna dyan na ginagamit ang retributive na ginagamit pa noong criminal justice system. Ang retributive dito, pinag-uusapan dito kung sino lumapag, kung ano yung kaso ibibigay sa kanya. How should be punished, parang ganon. So, ang restorative naman, a value-based approach, focus on the determined cause. So, nakapokus siya sa kung ano nagawang kaso ng isang tao. So, harm resulting for crime. Kung gaano to kalala, ganon. What needs be done, repair harm, yun. Kumbaga, kung ano man nagawa mong damage o kaya nagawa mong kasalanan,
pwede mo siyang ma-repair o kaya mabayaran, parang ganun. Yun yung ang advantage itong restorative kaysa sa retributive pala. Ang retributive, ginagamit siya sa isang person upang kasuhan lang sa isang bagay, ganun, nung walang sinasabi, parang ganun. Ang restorative, maganda siya sa Pilipinas. So, binibigyan din kayo ng relationship na dalawa upang magkaayos sa nagawa ng offender na kasalanan, upang bayaran niya yung nagawa niyang damage o ay nagawa niyang mga kasalanan. So, ang maganda din doon, nagkakaroon kayo ng relation sa isa't isa, saka parang hiningi na rin niya ng patawad yung isang tao para hindi niya nagawin. Parang binibigyan din sila ng para pagsasabihin sila tungkol sa nagawa ng kasalanan ng isang offender para hindi niya na ulitin. Ang retributive naman, ito naman talagang mabibigay talagang pagsisisihan niya talaga yung kasong ginawa niya, dahil talagang pagbabayaran niya ang kanyang kaso sa kulungan. Yun lang.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Jericho P. Humajao from BS Screen 3C. What is restorative justice? Restorative justice refers to an approach to justice that seeks to repair harm by providing an opportunity for those harmed and who take responsibility for the harm to communicate about the address their needs in the aftermath of a crime.
Good day, my name is Pedro Rose Monserrate from BS Screen 3C. Restorative justice is consisting of three main characters. These are the offender, victim, and the community. The goal is for offender to understand the impact of their actions to the victim and the community. Restorative justice is a voluntary process and will only take place with the permission of participants. It involves bringing victim and offender to help you find answers and the offender to fit back into society again. If you've been affected by a crime, you might be offered opportunity to take place in a restorative justice meeting or conference.
Hi, I'm Domingo Maria Jean Bell N. from BS Screen 3C. Restorative justice is a process through which remorseful offenders accept responsibility for their misconduct to those injured and the community that in response allows the reintegration of the offender into the said community. Ang restorative justice ay tumutukoy sa isang pamamaraan sa hustisya na ninanais na ayusin ang problema sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng pagkakataon para sa mga nasaktan at sa mga taong sangkot responsible para sa problemang makapag-usap at ibigay ang kanilang mga kakailanganin pagkatapos ng isang krimen. The purpose is to heal the wounds and break the chains that bind the prisoners and the victims so that each will return to nourish the hope of being rescued and the others to open their hearts to forgive.
I am Andrea Francisco from BS Screen 3D. Our topic is restorative justice system. So what is the advantages of restorative justice system? So the advantages of restorative justice system is emphasizes the importance of evaluating the role of the victims and the community members through more active involvement in the justice process. holding offenders directly accountable to the people they have violated, and the providing of range opportunities for dialogue, negotiation, and problem solving, which can lead to a greater sense of community safety, social harmony, and peace for all. That's all.
Hi everyone, I'm Abadilla Remy E. from British Criminology 3D. So one of the advantage of restorative justice system is its focus on involving and addressing the needs of all stakeholders. Victims have the opportunity to have their voices heard, express their emotions, and receive answers to their questions. Offenders are provided with the enhanced to understand the impact of their actions, take responsibility, and make amends. Community members also have a role in the process, promoting a sense of unity and collective responsibility. The purpose of restorative justice system is threefold: repairing harm, holding offenders accountable, and promoting healing and reconciliation. By focusing on the needs of victims and providing offenders with opportunity to face the consequences of their actions, restorative justice aims to restore a sense of justice and healing for all involved. It also seeks to prevent future harm by addressing the underlying causes of the offense and promoting empathy, understanding, and community cohesion. Next up.
My name is Denmark Asuncion from BS Criminology 3D. So, the advantage of restorative justice is gives the offender of an opportunity to make amends or to correct their wrongs, like the opportunities for persons who have been harmed that they must have to be heard and para masagot na rin yung mga katanungan. Then the opportunity naman for persons who have been committed an offense that they must have to understand that the crime and kung paano ba yun nakaapekto sa biktima or sa mga tao na yung kanilang ginawang pagkakamali. Then lahat ng yan ay masasagot sa pamamagitan ng pagkandak ng peacemaking dito sa restorative justice, which is dito naman pinagbabati yung accused and yung offender with the maximum involvement of the community without judicial proceedings. Ayun po.
Good day, ako po si April Boy de la Cruz from BS Crime 3D, and today, i-discuss ko po kung ano po yung advantage ng restorative justice. Yun nga, restorative justice is about po siya sa mabibigyan ng opportunity yung offender, ma'am, na maitama yung iba niya nagawa. Like, para po sa victim, pwede po siyang mag-conduct ng pag-uusap nila about sa nang ginawa sa kanya ng offender, kung bakit siya. Kasi marami sa case na yung victim maraming tanong about kung bakit siya ginanon, bakit siya ginawa ng ganito. So makatulong sa kanya kung masasagot yung mga tanong niya about sa offender, kung about sa case niya, yun makakatulong yun para sa kanya, sa peace of mind niya, kung para din po sa behavior niya kung babalik na po siya sa community nila. Yun, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Zacharis Brian from BS Criminology Section 3D. So, restorative justice refers to an approach to justice that seeks to repair harm by providing an opportunity for those harmed and those who takes responsibility for harm to communicate about and address their needs in the aftermath of a crime. My example about restorative justice advantage is gives offender an opportunity to make amends, o yung mga taong nabigyan ng pagkakataon na magbago sa nagawa nilang kasalanan, and satisfaction from victims involved in violent crime, o kasiyahan mula sa mga biktimang sangkot sa marahas na krimen. Yun lamang po.
I'm Jeffrey Opitogo from BS Criminology 3D, and my opinion about restorative justice. Restorative justice for me is the focus of understanding and resolving the problems to prevent the problems in the futures. And there are two groups of people in the restorative justice. There are the victim and the offender, which makes these two to have a dialogue to each other and involves negotiations and reparations to who's the victim. Thank you, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am. My name is John Lester Palma from Base Criminology 2D. So I'm here to explain the restorative justice and the advantage of it. First is, restorative justice has objectives: fixing the harm caused, aiding in the healing process, and making individual accountable within the community. So the advantage includes giving victim a chance to express themselves, taking a more comprehensive approach to justice, lowering the likelihood of repeat offenses, and promoting empathy and mutual understanding. So this method of offense results in greater satisfaction for victims, a sense of responsibility for offenders, and a more tightly knit community. So I'm gonna give you some example. John, a community member, had her bike stolen. Instead of solely involving the police, a restorative justice approach was taken. The police connected John with the young offender Mark, who admitted the theft. They arranged a meeting where John could express how the theft had impacted her, both emotionally and practically. Mark listened and genuinely apologized as a way to make amends. Mark offered to help John to find a replacement bike or contribute to its cost through community service. Through this process, John felt heard and Mark learned about the consequences of his actions while taking steps to repair the harm done. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Good day, ma'am. I'm David Jemer B. from BS Screen 3D. Ang advantage po ng restorative justice ay nagkakaroon ng closure ang biktima at ang nagkasala. Sa point po ng nagkasala, mas nakakapag-reflect siya sa kung ano ang nagawa niyang kasalanan or pagkakamali. At nagkakaroon din ng healing sa part ng biktima. Yun lang po, ma'am. Salamat po.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Ganja Villanueva Tantay from BS Screen 3D, and our topic is all about restorative justice system, and I will tackle the advantages of restorative justice. So, restorative justice emphasizes the importance of elevating the role of victims and the community members through more active involvement in the justice process, holding offenders directly accountable to the people they violated and providing a range of opportunities for dialogue, negotiations, and problem solving, which can lead to a greater sense of community, safety, social harmony, and peace for all. And that's all. Thank you. So what is restorative justice? Restorative justice is the system of criminal justice that focuses on resolving a conflict between the offender and the victim. It aims to resolve a problem by giving an opportunity to the offender to participate in order to hear and understand his or her reasons of his actions, and it also to resolve such problem that he or she caused. It also gives an opportunity for the offender to correct his or her wrongdoings. Like for example, in the case of robbery, the offender can be given an opportunity to help the victim to restore his or her belongings by giving some information.